Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Yesterday I gave Esic Mts Prelims Mock Test from adda 247. It's mock number 2 and please guys watch this video till end. Otherwise you won't understand the topic of this video. So let's start. Out of 200 I get 174 marks and 3742 candidates give this mock, and out of this my rank is 8 and I have done 88 questions correct and 4 questions are wrong. My percentile is 99.8% and my accuracy is 95.69%. I attempted 92% questions. So if I go the solutions portion, you see here in general intelligence and reasoning portion, out of 25 questions my correct answers are 25, and basically Esic Mts is an easy examination, so the question pattern is not so high, it's basically low. And here also the reasoning question pattern is totally easy, and the questions asked from circular table based puzzle, 1 to 5 questions asked from there. Next series based questions, 5 questions asked from series and they are also easy. Next one question is from rank based question. Next here you see linear row based puzzle where all the persons were facing north, and the question asked here is totally linear questions. Here you see who among the following sits third to the left of B, general questions asked here. So next a word is given, you have to arrange every letters in forward and backward directions and then say how many pairs of letters are there in the word. Okay, next 5 questions asked from syllogisms, and next one question is from word is given and you have to arrange the letter in alphabetical order from left to right in such a way that vowels are arranged first followed by consonants. Then you say that how many letters are there in between C and T after the arrangement, like these questions. And 21 to 25 question is from floor based puzzle. So after giving this mock I realized that if any aspirant give a sectional mock every day and follow the prelims small puzzles for prelims examination, they can easily solve this kind of questions, because Esic Mts question pattern is very much low compared to any other bank exams. So that's why I'm telling this. Next that's the overview of reasoning. And if you want to follow my schedule, I upload it every day, Esic UDC Mains and Esic Mts to-do list. I regularly follow this schedule, and if you want to follow, you will also be helpful there. And the next portion is general awareness, and you see 27 questions I have attempted, and out of 27 my correct answers are 27 and 3 questions I have not attempted. Basically I have done all the questions correct because I've regularly revised current affairs from Affairs Cloud and try to attempt a quiz from Affairs Cloud or PM mock or any kind of sources available in the internet. And if you also follow this kind of strategy, you will see your must have to be increased and you will be performed well in real examination. So here also the most of the questions asked from current affairs, and I didn't attempt 3 questions because I forgot 3 question answer, that's why I didn't attempt. And here is also questions coming from banking awareness, but in real examination I have seen that in Esic UDC examination most of the questions asked from static GK, and it's basically history, geography and polity based questions. So if you want to read this kind of questions, you may follow Lucent objective types of book. There were so many kind of questions in history, polity and geography, So if you want to read this, your marks will also be increased. So that's the portion of general awareness. And in quantitative aptitude portion, if I go, you see there 5 questions come from missing number series. Next, so easy, some quadratic equations asked here. You see, I take just 20 seconds to solve it out, just 2 seconds to solve 57th number question, and 59 number question is totally easy, because after seeing the sign of these questions you can easily tick the answer x is equal to y, or there is no relation between x, right? So 5 questions coming from this quadratic equation, and next 5 to 6 question coming from DI. It's prelims level DI, and you have to regularly practice prelims level DI from any kind of sources you follow, like adda 247 or Guidely or Unacademy. In Unacademy there are so many free courses available, and there are so many good mentors, and they regularly teaches us as much as they can. So if you want to follow them, it will be helpful. Next, word problems. I didn't attempt 5 questions. There are so many reasons, because after before giving this mock, I didn't revise all the questions of maths chapter. That's why, due to the lack of practice, I didn't attempt these 5 questions, but actually the questions are easy. During the analysis, I see the 5 questions are totally easy. If I try, then I can do it. And 67th coming from speed based question, distance, speed, time based question, but mistakenly I ticked to 40 kilometer instead of 120 kilometer. That's why the question was wrong. And next, last but not the least portion is English comprehension, and here you see I attempted 25 questions, but 3 questions are wrong. And in English comprehension portion, the question asked from close test, 5 to 6 questions coming from there. And next, RC, reading comprehension based question, 5 to 6 question coming from there. And next, in paragraph there was mentioned a blank, and you have to replace five words given there, and you have to replace them in this blank. That kind of question asked. And the meaning of floated meaning hover. So I correct it. And in paragraph portion, if you correctly attempt the vocabs, so you need to follow Hindu editorial every day, because in Hindu editorial there are so many interesting words available. So if you follow them regularly, your stock of words or vocabulary must be increased. I regularly follow it, that's why I'm telling you. And 91st to 95th question asked from double fillers. Double fillers are also easy. And next, rest of the question asked from column matching. But in this column matching, I have done one incorrect. I don't know why. I think it's the lack of concentration, because the questions was easy. So that's the overview of all those 4 sections. And if you don't give this mock, you can give it, and you please share your rank and your score in the comment section. And if you have any doubts regarding to this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to give your all answers of your questions. And thank you all. Stay healthy, stay safe. Stay tuned for the next update. Thank you so much.